The man is walking with his daughter. He is walking with his daughter here. And he is holding her hand. He is holding her hand. So the man is holding his daughter's hand. They are going somewhere. Where are they going? Where are they going? The man and his daughter are going to the coffee shop. They are going to the coffee shop to get a drink. They are going to have a drink in the coffee shop. So, they walk into the coffee shop. The man and his daughter are still holding hands. They're still holding hands, and they are in the coffee shop. Here is the waiter. So the waiter is standing here. And there is a table and 2 chairs here. It's time to order the drinks. The man orders a cup of coffee. So he orders a nice cup of coffee. And the waiter writes his order down. He writes it down. In his right hand, he is holding some paper. In his left hand, he is holding a pen. So now he is going to write down the man's order. The man's daughter, well, she does not want a coffee. She wants a bubble tea. You see, inside the glass, here we have a glass, and there are many bubbles, many little bubbles inside the glass here. So she wants a bubble tea. In the glass, there is a straw. There's a red and white straw in the glass. And again, the man is writing down her order with a pen and some paper. And now the waiter carries the drinks to the table. So he is carrying the drinks. Here is the cup of coffee. Here is a can, and inside the can there is some tea. And here is a glass with a red and white straw and lots of little bubbles as well. He is carrying the drinks on a tray. See this circle, this big circle, that's a tray. So he is carrying the 2 drinks on the tray. And now he pours the tea into the glass with the straw and the bubbles. He pours the tea into the glass, pours it like this. The girl is happy. The man's daughter is happy. She is drinking her bubble tea with the straw here. So she's drinking her bubble tea and she's happy. The man is using a spoon. See, he is holding a spoon and he is putting some sugar into his coffee. He is using the spoon to put sugar into the coffee. Next, the man uses the spoon to stir the coffee. You can see he stirs the coffee like that. He uses the spoon to stir the sugar into the coffee. And the man drinks his cup of coffee. Next, It is time to pay. It's time to pay the bill now. So the man asks the waiter. He asks the waiter for the bill because he needs to pay for his drinks. He needs to pay for his drinks and his daughter's drink as well. So he needs to pay for 1 cup of coffee and 1 glass of bubble tea as well. So the man gives some money to the waiter. And finally, the man and his daughter, who are holding hands again, the man and his daughter leave the coffee shop. They leave the coffee shop and they go home to their house. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.